Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see how to find the median of the given data. Here is the first question on the screen. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having 18 years age onwards but less than 60 years, and the data is here given in a tabular form. Here it is said that below 20 the number of policy holders are 2. Here try to understand the meaning of this data. Below 20 the number of policy holders are 2. It means there are 2 policy holders whose age is less than 20. Below 25 there are 6 policy holders. It means what? There are 6 policy holders whose age is less than 25. It means the age less than 25 means the age less than 20 is also included in this. So I can say that in this number 6 means the number 6 policy holders, 2 policy holders are also included. Try to understand the next also. Below 30 there are 24 policy holders. It means that the 24 policy holders whose age is below 30, it means whose age is below 25, below 20 are also included in this data, that is 24. So this 24 includes 6 also, and so it is like this. It means that this number of policy holders is nothing but the cumulative frequency. So first we will have to convert this class into a standard form of class interval. Then from this cumulative frequency we will have to find the frequency. So let us see how to find that. So here is a table. This is the age in years. It is given to us, and we will convert this into a class interval in a standard form. And if you see here, there is a difference of 5. 20, 25, 25, 30, 35, 40, everywhere there is a difference of 5. So we will choose our class interval as 15 to 20. Correct? Difference of 5. 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, then 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and then 55 to 60. And this is the cumulative frequency that is given to you. Now this cumulative frequency we have to convert it into the frequency. Means from this we have to find frequency. So how do we find frequency from the cumulative frequency? We first write 2 as it is. Then what we do? We take 6 minus 2, that will be 4, because in this 6 these 2 are also included. But now here it is particularly from 20 to 25, in which the 15 to 20 are not included. So from this 6 we are removing 2, and therefore the frequency for this class interval we get it as 4. Then next we do as 24 minus 6, that is 18. Then we do 45 minus 24, then that is 21. Then 78 minus 45, that is 33. Then 89 minus 78, that is 11. Then 92 minus 89, that is 3. Then 98 minus 92, that is 6. And 100 minus 98, that is 2. And this total frequency is what? It is 100. that is given to us in question, that there are 100 policy holders, and we always check whether this total and this last cumulative frequency is same or not. So here in this case it is same, and so we have got n. So first we find n by 2. So n by 2 means what? 100 by 2, half of 100, that is 50. Then we search for 50 in the cumulative frequency. So 50 that lies from 45 to 78, correct? This 50 lies from 45 to 78, and so we select 78, and the class interval corresponding to this 78, we take this class interval as the median class. This we take as median class. So right here, median class is equal to median class is equal to 35 to 40. 35 to 40. Then from this median class we get L. So L is equal to 35. L is the lower limit of the median class. This is the upper limit. This is the lower limit. So L is equal to 35. So after getting 35, we find H. H is what? The height of the class interval. So 55 to 60, 50 to 55, what will be the height? Height will be the 5, that is upper limit minus lower limit. We got H. Then we find frequency. This is the frequency, this is the cumulative frequency. So the frequency of the class interval is 33, and so we take F as 33. So F we take as 33. Then we find CF. CF is what? It is the previous cumulative frequency. Previous cumulative frequency of the median class, that is 45. So CF is equal to 45. Now we have got everything, and now we put the values in the formula to calculate the median. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency multiplied by H. So which is equal to L is what? That is 35 plus n by 2. N by 2 is half of 100, that is 50, minus cumulative frequency is 45 upon frequency, that is 33, multiplied by H, that is 5. So we solve this further as 35 plus 50 minus 45, that is 5, by 33 multiplied by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 25 by 33. First we solve this to the decimal form, and then we add it to the 35. So it will be 35 plus 25 by 33, that is nothing but 0.76. And so the median is 35.76. Since the median is 35.76, write the answer. Median is equal to 35.76, and the median is what? It is a median age. So the age is given in years, so you will have to write the unit as years. So median is equal to 35.76 years. Now friends, let us see the another question. The another question is on the screen, that here calculate the median of the following data. Marks obtained is given as below 10, below 20, below 30, below 40, below 50, below 60, and the number of students are given as 6, 15, 29, 41, 60 and 70. Here once again I explain this, that below 10 there are 6 students. It means there are 6 students who have secured less than 10 marks. Below 20 there are 15 students. It means there are 15 students who have secured less than 20 marks. It means that less than 20, that is less than 10 marks are also counted here. It means this 6 is also counted in 15. Below 20 there are 29 students. It means there are 29 students who have got less than 30 marks. So less than 30 marks means 15 candidates are also counted here, and so on. So to calculate the median of such class interval, what we do, first we find the class interval in a standard form, and then we find the frequency from this cumulative frequency. This is the cumulative frequency. So let us see how to write this. Here is the table on the screen, that below 10, below 20, below 30, below 40, here there is a difference of 10 everywhere. So we write the class, sorry, here there is a typing error. This is the class. So class below 10, that we can write as 0 to 10 because there is a difference of 10. Then from 10 to 20, then from 20 to 30, then 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Then this is the cumulative frequency given to us, and we will convert this cumulative frequency and to get the frequency. So what we do, we write 6 as it is. Then we do 15 minus 6 because in this 15 6 is also included. So we will remove 6. So 15 minus 6, that will be 9. Then 29 minus 15, that will be 14. Then 41 minus 29, that will be 12. Then 60 minus 41, that will be 19. And 70 minus 60, that is 10. So this is the frequency. If you add this, the total you will get as 70. So n is equal to 70. Then what we do, we take n by 2. So n by 2 is half of 70, that is 35. Then we check for 35 here in the cumulative frequency. So that lies between 29 and 41. This 35 lies between 29 and 41. So we select 41, and the class interval corresponding to this 41, we take this as the median class. So we write as median class is equal to 30 to 40. Median class is equal to 30 to 40. Then from this median class we get L, that is lower limit of the median class. This is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. So L is equal to 30. Then we can easily calculate the H. H is the height of the class interval. Here that H will be 10. Upper limit minus lower limit. Then we find F. Then what we do, we find F. So F is what? It is the frequency of the median class. This is the median class. Its frequency will be what? It will be 12. This is the frequency, this is the cumulative frequency. So frequency is equal to 12. Then we find the cumulative frequency CF. This CF we take as the previous cumulative frequency of the model class. This is the median class. So its previous cumulative frequency is what? 29. So CF we take as 29. So everything here we have got, and so now we will calculate the median of the given data by using the formula. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency multiplied by h. So which is equal to L is what? It is 30 plus n by 2, that is 35, minus cumulative frequency is 29 upon frequency is 12 multiplied by h. Now we will solve this further, as which is equal to 30 plus this is 25 minus 9, that will be 6, and 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, so it will be 1 by 2 multiplied by h is what? 10. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, so which is equal to 30 to 35, 30 plus 5, that is 35, and therefore the required median, that is equal to 35. So friends, these questions are asked for 4 marks and therefore most important as far as the final board examination is concerned. So friends, I think you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. So thank you very much for watching the video.